Ladies and gentlemen, the Fair Use Act of 1976 is enforced throughout this entire video. So hang tight. What's up, guys? Pro-V here, and do I got a video for you? Just a quick one, just a quick little video, guys. Let me just turn this music down just a little bit more, just a little bit. So guys, check this out. Let me talk to you just for a minute. So this feller right here, if you can see him right now, okay, you can see him. His name is, okay, we're up and running, we're great. Johnny Montez de Osa. Oka. So guys, this young man has trespassed in the second degree, as you can see. Now, I just want to direct your attention to exhibit number 2. Now, this is the young man in question. As you can see, the resemblance is definitely there. It's the same person, guys. So, I just want to say this is Snow's child, and he is 27. Just wanted to make note of that, guys, because she brought him into the Real Right Uncut to have a, I guess, some sort of interview. I do not remember this one. I did not cover this one, folks. And I will not cover it now because I see no need other than the fact that this is Snow's son, and he did indeed get caught and put into the Guilford County. He has a court date tomorrow on my birthday, which we will be doing a live stream tomorrow on my birthday, guys. 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 o'clock Central. Same time as always. Same time as Saturday Night Live, guys. Evening live stream. So, guys, as you can see, I said it 2 or 3 times already. Now, moving on to a new topic, guys. Now, I just want to say, it was brought to my attention, and we're going to be modest here, guys. We're going to be modest. So, you look at Real Right Uncut, he's got 2.3K videos. That's 2,300 videos, correct? Now, out of all those videos, let's say half of them took the other half. You know what I mean? The $40 or the sack of Jawea. Okay, so now you have 1,000 videos strong, and a lot of times those videos have 2 people in them, and they'll get paid twice. You see where I'm going, guys? But we'll be modest here. We'll be modest here and say they got paid once in that video, in said video. So 1,000 times 40. The math is fairly simple, guys. What do you end up with? $40,000 US dollars. 40,000 USD. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that's only on one channel. Now, you forget, I'm not adding in the videos that were put on the extended channels. I'm not counting the videos, the live streams. I'm not counting none of that. The live streams on both channels. So, guys, the numbers could very well go into the triple digits. And this is just for... Shh. Don't tell anyone, especially the IRS. This is for paid interviewees. Now, you could be claiming this. Wait, I'm not giving nobody blueprints. So, guys, what do you think? I want to know what your comments are on this. Because we all know that he pays $50 a month in what? Child support. And he claimed 0 on income. Guys, it's very, very, very interesting when a person with 94,000 subscribers on their YouTube channel pays out this much in 2 years to his interviewees, but every month he pays out 50. Guys, it's fair. It's very disgusting in my opinion, and I really think, I don't know. I want to know what you guys think. That's what really matters, guys. So make sure you comment below, guys, and let me know your opinions, because this type of thing matters, guys. This type of thing really does matter. And I just want to let you guys know one more time before I get out of here. We are at 1,750 subscribers strong. Thank you to all the new subscribers. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. As you know, I said tomorrow is the birthday celebration stream. It's going to be wild. It's going to be crazy. We're going to have fun. We're going to have games. We're going to have trivia and stuff like that. I'm going to make it a good time, guys. So make sure you tune in. Other than that, guys, I mean, I have nothing else to add. You know, when it comes to taxes and you have $40,000 in unclaimed anything, it's not claimed, where's this money going? Why is it being given away? That's all I'm going to say. Why is it not claimed, and why is it being given away? That's a lot of money. And keep in mind, ladies and gentlemen, that's a low ball. I only counted half. 2,300 videos. That's less than half. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna review one of these. Probably this one, guys. And then, I believe I did not do this one. The one with, Peasy. Yes, indeed. So thank you for watching, guys. I mean, you gotta share this one. This is one you gotta share. Thank you, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Have a good night. Bye-bye.